everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 300 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out this LA Colors Rose Eyeshadow Palette that I got from the Dollar Tree recently. They have this palette in a few different versions and I did pick it up in all of the versions that they had at my Dollar Tree. But so this here is only $1, but it comes with 12 different shades. And here I've swatched all of the shades. I will insert a picture so that you can get a better view. But so I thought that they swatched really nicely. And I tried out some LA Colors eyeshadow palettes that have not been very good. So I was really pleasantly surprised by this, especially for the fact that there's 12 shades for $1. The metallics swatched really nicely, beautiful shine. Even the mattes had great pigment, so I'm really excited to play with this today. There's also like a nice variety here where you don't get repeats of the same shade. But so I already primed my eyelids using the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion because I want to get the best results from this eyeshadow as possible. And I've learned to prime my eyelids before applying eyeshadows because I don't want my eyelids to get stained. If you want to see my review on the eyeshadow primer potion, I will link that down below. I love it. It's such a great product. But so this palette on the back here gives you a little image of how to apply the eyeshadow. So it says a base shade, a darker crease shade, a light highlight shade, and then a liner shade. I typically apply my colors in a little bit different of a method, but you know what? I'm gonna try this one like it says on the palette. So it does come with the little applicator. I think for my all over base shade, I'm gonna go in with this first kind of light pink metallic shade here. And because it's a metallic shade, I'm gonna go ahead and apply it using my finger. Wow, this is applying really beautifully. I probably would have preferred to go in with a medium toned matte shade as the all over base, but I don't have one, so this will end up being a very bright metallic eyeshadow look. Okay, so next for my darker crease shade, I'm gonna go in with this matte brown shade right here. I can't believe that today is day 300 of trying a new makeup product every day. Like, I never expected to get to this point when I first started this series, but I love it. I have so much makeup now, so that's a little bit overwhelming, but I just love trying new makeup every day, and it's crazy how much I've been able to expand my comfort zone when it comes to makeup and just expand my collection and my skills, but I'm still learning. It's still a journey. And eyeshadows especially are something that I'm still really working to get better at. I'm really liking this shade in the crease. It's blending out nicely, and it does give some nice shadow and definition to my eyelids. I feel like the difference between no crease shade but then adding that shadowy crease shade just makes the eyes pop so much more. Alright, so normally I like to build up the outer V with a darker shade, but today I'm just going to follow this diagram here and go ahead and add a highlight shade. So I'm going to use this kind of like pink metallic shade. Oh wow. That shows up with a lot of pigment. I do just want to take the white shade and apply that to the inner corner. For a dollar store white eyeshadow, I am very impressed by this. And it's matte too, so the fact that it's even showing up at all, I'm really happy about that. Okay, so now I need a liner color. So I'm going to try and go in with this dark metallic shade here, which is kind of just like a deep chocolate brown shade. Also, normally when I am on like 100 days of this, trying a new makeup product every day, I'll do a giveaway, but I felt like for day 300, I would rather just wait until day 365, which should be like a big deal type of celebration, because that will be huge. If you have any ideas for what you want me to do for day 365, let me know in the comments down below. I am really liking the effect of this darker shade as a liner. I do have a little bit of fallout, and then I'm just going to clean up the edges a little bit, and I'm just going to take that same metallic chocolate brown shade on my lower lash line, just halfway. Yeah, oh my gosh. I can't believe I'm achieving such an impressive, beautiful makeup look with a $1 palette that has 12 shades in it. I'm glad that I decided to give LA Colors eyeshadow palettes another chance, because they are really impressing me with this one. Okay, so here we have the finished eyeshadow look, and I am really happy with it. It does look very shimmery and kind of subtle, but I think it looks also very pretty and glamorous. So I'm very happy with this eyeshadow palette, and it's definitely something I'm going to continue to use. And I'm really excited to try it out in the other versions that I got it in, because this seems like a really nice formula. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.